Hi everyone, so for this video we are going to go over how to use our Denoiser processing block. So to begin with, we could just take a look at our core block section, which contains a plethora of different processing blocks. And all we have to do to begin is just drag and drop our Denoiser block, which is the desired processing block for today. So after that's completed, the next steps would be to use some of our utility core blocks to aid with the processing of a Denoiser block. So we will need one file upload block as well as two view images block. So we're just gonna drag and drop to the canvas. Okay, perfect. And now that that's done, all we have to do is make some edge connections to each of the processing blocks. Okay, perfect. And now the next step would be to select the desired image using the file upload block. And now for this, we're just going to use the Mona Lisa image. Perfect. Okay, once that's all configured correctly, all we have to do is go to the top of our interface and just hit the run button. Okay, so while we do that, we could also check on an update on the log page. So this kind of just gives us an overview of the progress of the process. So yeah, we'll just wait and see how this runs. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see here, our status has changed to succeeded and completed. So we could take a look and see what the output is. So just with a quick glance, we can see that the images have already been processed. So the first image would be the noisy image, and we can also check for the second image, which would be the denoised image. So there is some sort of a difference between the two images. And yeah, that's pretty much how to utilize our Denoiser processing block. Thank you for watching this video.